So creating an XY table is creating a table of values for different values of X and figuring out the different values of Y. So for example, if you have an equation like this, y equals 3x, you could make a table, an XY table, and you could choose values for X and calculate the values that go with those values of X for Y. In this case, we already have given values for X, so the problem wants us to figure out what is Y when X equals 0, 1, 2, or 3. So I'm going to start with 0, 1, 2, and 3. So this is basically saying if X equals 0, what's the value of Y? So you could do this mentally, or you could actually plug it into the equation. Y equals 3. Instead of 3 times X, I would say 3 times 0. 3 times 0 is just 0. So when X equals 0, Y also equals 0. Now I could go on to the next value. If X equals 1, what's the corresponding value of Y? Y equals 3. Instead of 3x, it's 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is just 3. And we continue. If X equals 2, what's the value of Y? We would go Y equals 3. Instead of X, we put in 2. 3 times 2 is 6. And if X equals 3, the value of Y is 3 times 3, which is 9. And you can do this for as many values as you want. And this is going to help you create a graph because these are the coordinates that you're going to plot.